GPU install, and we're gonna take some time and we're actually gonna blow this out a little bit. So we're going from a GTX 970 or a 1070, I don't remember which, to 4060 Ti. So let's get this out of here first, and then we'll, I can't not, I look at this, I see poor cable management, I can't not address it. So we're gonna address some cable management here for this guy too. I know he's not paying for it, but he's paying $100 for me to install a video card, and yeah, he's gonna get more than what he's paying for. I'm gonna cable manage this thing for him. So what is this? It is a GPU that never had its peel removed, I can tell you that much. Come on, know you're there. There you are. Look at that. I just reduced its value by 50 cents. What is this? Okay. Before I go through and I do anything else, let's get the back of this off and see what's going on back here. See what kind of cable management slots. This is not like this isn't a square case. So you used to have square cases. This is not that. This is a rectangular case, so it's wider than it is taller. Everything looks like it was an attempt at cable management, except for this video card. And we will do that, and also this PCI power that's running underneath here. It's a cute little way to do it, and the reason that that's being done is because there's no slot there. I think I'm going to try and go the other way under the board. Try and go this way. There's also this fan cable here. Try and neaten this up slightly. What is this? RGB. That's what that is. I see, says the blind man to the deaf man.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
And this board is old enough that it doesn't have these, right? It's the 3-pin, it's the 4-pin now. It doesn't have it. Okay. Let's rotate this slightly. There, management spot. There is a cable management spot up here, but it is woefully undersized. Just verifying quickly that there is no spot for that. This guy is going to run that way now. And that's going to go underneath there. Just a little bit of cleaning. All right. So I'm going to try. Let's see how well what I'm about to do works. We're going to come out. If there's not enough room, there's not enough room. There's not enough cable length. Whatever it may be, we will undo it and run it back the way it was, but I think I have enough cable length to do this. Let's rotate this. And we're doing this for aesthetics and for a little bit of airflow. They are not simple to fix. Usually if a graphics card dies, if it's not like instantly like, hey, there's a MOSFET here that's gone bad, or there's a problem on the power rail, then it's the GPU core, which incredibly difficult to repair. Or if it's neither of those things, then it's with the memory controller, which again, also not very easy to repair. I think I have 3 video cards sitting back on my back table right now that I haven't been able to repair because I don't have time to sit there and reball them, which is what it would require. I'd have to remove the memory chips and then reball them, which, yeah, if I had infinite amount of time, then it'd be great. But this right now, this is fun. This is the most fun I have. Fitting my hands in this tiny little places, trying to get cables plugged in. All right, there we go. So the next thing we're gonna do, because this cable is running along the front, I'm gonna do that. Like, it's strange, I have all the tools to do it for the most part. What I don't have is the little reballing kits. All right, so surprisingly, the video card we're about to put in here is smaller. So we're going from this to this. That never happens anymore. But first, we're gonna blow this out real quick. So give me 1 second. So, and I made sure to spin the fans as fast as I could with the compressor to put as much electricity in the board as possible.
Really, really, really amusing.
All right, let's get these peels off of here and then get this installed and then get him out of here. All right, get that in there. Gotta have a little bit of wiggle room. Got 1, got 2. Beautiful. Make sure that's up and over the top. We're actually going to zip tie this stuff in the back. And then as far as this is concerned, I'm going to use this same single connector. I'm going to come in same direction that he had his previously. And just a little bit different. And then we're going to pull some of these cables back. So, add a zip tie here. We're going to, how do I want to do this? Nothing really. I'll just say, look, man, this isn't something that I touched. Like, it was like that when it came in. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not gonna get like argumentative with him. I mean, there's no point, because then it just becomes a situation where it's not who's right, it's who can yell the loudest, and nothing gets resolved. All right, so, all right, let's verify everything's working on this now. Then we have one other thing we gotta look at for this guy real quick with this, and then get this out of here. All right, let's see how she'd do. All right, everything else seems to be nice. Got a little bit of surface dust here and there. We need to install a video driver, so let's go ahead and do that. I wonder if it just installed said video driver. Yep, yes it did. All right, cool. All right, that's it. Let's get this thing out of here. Actually, you know what? Now he did want me to look at something strange that was going on with his computer. Whenever he said whenever he plugged this drive into any of the USB slots except for one, it would make the computer think an HDMI was connected. You have a certain brand for hardware to maintain your PCs you always use? I do not. I do basically whatever the cheapest that gives me the functionality I need at the time. All right, drive is spinning. Drive is open. Multiple displays. It's not. So hopefully this corrected whatever problem he was having. So let's just go ahead and get this shut down and get him out of here. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.